How to permanently delete your Facebook account. So to get started, from the Facebook home screen, select your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, select setting and privacy, then go to setting. This will bring you to the setting page. On the left sidebar, find Meta Account Center and select See More in the Account Center. Once you are in the Account Center, look at the left sidebar under Account Setting and scroll down to select Manage Accounts in the bottom left corner. You should now see your Facebook account listed there. Select Manage beside your account. Next, select Deactivation and Deletion. Here you will see the option to permanently delete your Facebook account along with information about what happens when your account is deleted. Select Delete Account, then choose Continue at the bottom. Facebook may ask you a few questions before continuing. Follow the prompts on the screen and continue through the process. At the final step, enter your Facebook password to confirm. Once completed, your Facebook account will be permanently deleted.